Hi Piyush. Hi Darshan. Good evening, both of you. Hi Geet. Hi Harsh. So today we are going to solve 3 marks question from quadratic equation. So quadratic equation we are going Swapna Ahire. Hi. I think it must be Tejal. Hi Tejal. So we are going to start. Hi Bhumika. Good afternoon. हाय दर्शन. सो गुड इव्हनिंग एव्हरीवन. आणि आज आपण घेणार आहोत 3 मार्क्स PYQ फ्रॉम क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन. तर आपण मार्च 2019 पासून मार्च 2025 पर्यंत जे काही PYQs आलेले आहेत ते PYQs इथे कव्हर करत आहोत. 3 मार्क्सचे आहेत. थोडेसे डिफिकल्ट असतील पण लेट स्टार्ट. ओके. माझा आवाज क्लिअर आहे का? काही प्रॉब्लेम आहे? प्लीज रिप्लाय. हाय प्रांजल. हाय hi Pranjal and Shrutika. Okay, it is clear. Good. हां, फोटोचं काय होतं की ॲक्च्युली मला शोधावे लागतात ते पेजेस. आता माझं पाहीन मी, मला पेजेस मिळाले तर मी नक्की फोटो टाकेन. ओके. तर पहा आता सगळ्यांना क्लिअर आहे असं मला वाटतं. मला भूमिकाने ऑलरेडी सांगितलं आहे की व्हॉइस इज क्लिअर ॲज वेल ॲज यू कॅन सी द क्वेश्चन्स ऑल्सो क्लिअरली. So without wasting time, let us move towards the first sum. See here, activity it is. Question 3a is activity and it is of 3 marks. So one of the root of quadratic equation kx square plus 10x, minus 10x plus 3 is equals to 0 is 3. Okay. Then complete the following activity to find the value of k. So this question is asked in March 2022. ॲक्च्युली माझं असं ऑब्झर्वेशन आहे की क्वेश्चन 3B मध्ये जास्त विचारले जातात हे क्वेश्चन. These questions are rarely asked in question 3A for activity. So what is the root given? That is 3. And which is the quadratic equation? That is kx square minus 10x plus 3 is equals to 0. So one of the root of quadratic equation kx square minus 10x plus 3 is equals to 0 is 3. So आपल्याला x च्या जागी काय पुट करायचं आहे? 3. Putting x is equals to 3 in above equation. So this quadratic equation we are going to keep value of x, that is 3. So k we have written as it is. X square means what? 3 square minus 10 x is 3 and plus 3 is equals to 0. Okay everyone. Now 3 square is 9 and 9k. Now minus 10 3s are 30 plus 3 is equals to 0. Now this minus 30 plus 3, that is negative 27, and negative 27 when jump to right hand side it will be positive 27. So 9k is 27. So k is 27 upon 9 and 9 3s are 27. So answer k is equals to 3. So did everybody understood? Yes, whatever the answer you have given, that is k is equals to 3, is absolutely correct. Yes Pranjal, your answer is correct. Rajesh, your answer is also correct, as well as okay, so I got answer from Piyush, Darshan and Devraj. So Devraj, very good, so you have also joined today. And Pranjal, so shall I move to the next sum? And those who have joined just now, I request you to please like it, like the video, and if you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe. Shall I move forward? I got answer from Bhumika also. So let's move to the next question, that is second PYQ. So this is also an activity based question, and it is for 3 marks. It is asked in July 2022. सो मार्च 2022मध्ये ॲक्टिव्हिटी होती, तशाच टाईपची ॲक्टिव्हिटी जुलै 2022मध्ये, पण इकडे आपल्याला फॉर्म्युला मेथड आहे. So complete the following activity to find the roots of quadratic equation 25x square plus 30x plus 9 is equals to 0 by formula method. Hi Amrut. So which method we are going to use? That is formula. Okay Harsh. So formula method we are using. So what is the quadratic equation? That is 25x square plus 30x plus 9 is equals to 0. Compare this equation with x square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So this quadratic equation, we are going to compare it with the standard form. So what is the standard form? That is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So what is a here? It is 25. Already written a 25. What is b? B is 30. And what is c? That is 9. Okay. So what we are going to find? That is b square minus 4ac. So what is b? It is 30. So b square means 30 square. And minus 4, a is 25 and c is 9. So 30 square it is 900 minus 25 4s are 100. 100 into 9 that is 900. So 900 minus 900 it is 0. So what is the value of discriminant delta? That is 0. Means b square minus 4ac is 0. Now this is the formula. This formula we are going to use to find out the roots of given quadratic equation. So it is formula. So I have made a box here, that is x is equals to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac. You can write under root delta also. So here we can write delta also upon 2a. Now let's put the value. Yes Pranjal, yes Shrutika and Bhumika, you are absolutely correct. Hi Mansi, no worry, you can continue now. So what is my negative b? B is 30. So negative sign is already given. So you have to write here only 30. Plus or minus. What is the answer of b square minus 4ac? It is 0. 2. And what is a? It is 25. So negative 30 upon 50. And here also negative 30 upon 50. So this will be 0, 0 cancel. So negative 3 upon 5. Or negative 3 upon 5. Always keep in mind whenever we are solving quadratic equation having two roots, and whenever delta is equals to 0, you know that roots are real and equal. So here also delta discriminant is 0. So we got two roots which are real and equal. Both the roots are equal. You can see there are negative 3 upon 5. So shall we move to the next one? Hi Mansi. Shall we move to the next one? Please reply fast so that we can complete our question 3, as we have to start question 4 tomorrow. Piyush, good. And I got answer from Bhumika, Devraj and Darshan. Good all of you. So we will move to the next sum now. Okay? Okay Mansi, don't worry. I know you are late, but doesn't matter. You have joined. It's a very good thing. Okay, that I will be doing Git after this lecture. Okay, 100% I will be sending. Okay, okay, Mansi. And Git, I just read your reply just now. Okay, so now it is question 3b. In question 3b, it is a 3 marks PYQ, and the first PYQ that we are going to take is from July 2022. Solve the given equation by factorization method. So this is a quadratic equation. 5m square is equals to 22m plus 15, and we are going to solve it by quadratic equation method. So 5m factorization method, 5m square minus 22m plus 15 is equals to 0. See, this is a and this is c. So always a and c we are multiplying. So 15 into 5. So 15 5s are. What is the answer of 15 5s are? Please reply fast everyone. 15 5s are. Yes, Shrutika, absolutely correct. It is 75. So the multiplication is 75 and the addition is negative 22. So which one we will take? What is the 25 threes are? Let us take 25 threes are. This will be negative, okay? This 22 jumps to right hand side, it is negative 22m, and this 15 will jump, it will be negative. So I want a multiplication, that is, what is here? 5m square minus 22m minus 15 is equals to 0. So 5 into negative 15, that is negative 75. So I need splitting of middle term and whose addition is negative 22. So negative 25 threes are. If I multiply negative 25 into 3, the answer is negative 75. And if I add negative 25 plus 3, it will be negative 22. So which are the two factors? Hi, Abhi. Hi, Abhijit. So which are the two factors of negative 22m? They are negative 25 and 3. So this middle term we will be splitting in two parts, that is negative 25m plus 3m. Let us write first term 5m square and last term minus 15 is equals to 0. Now from first two and last two we are going to take common. So from first two let us take 5m common, so m minus 5. And here we will take 3 common, so m minus 5. That is equals to 0. So m minus 5 common. So what is left? That is 5m plus 3 is equals to 0. So m minus 5, yes Pranjal, you are correct. M minus 5 is equals to 0 or 5m plus 3 is equals to 0. So m is equals to 5 or 5m is equals to negative 3, m is equals to negative 3 upon 5. So this is the two roots of given quadratic equation, that is m is equals to 5 or m is equals to negative 3 upon 5. By using factorization method, we have found the roots. Did everybody of you understood this sum? Please reply me fast, and if you have any questions, you can even ask me. Hi Lakshmi. Okay, Devraj and Pranjal and Piyush, Geet, Darshan, Amrut. So it's very good sign that you all have done. Shall we move to the next one now then? Okay, Bhumika and Shrutika and Tejal. So let's move to the next sum. That is question second, which is asked twice in a board exam. Okay, Devraj and Harsh also. So this question was asked twice in a board in March 2022 and March 2023. Here we have to use formula method to solve the quadratic equation. So which is the quadratic equation? X square plus 10x plus 2 is equals to 0. Now this quadratic equation, let us compare it with the standard form. By comparing it with standard form. So what is the standard form? Ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So this is our standard form and this is our quadratic equation. Let us compare it and find out the values of a, b and c. Shrutika, correct. A is, what is, nothing is there, so 1. A is 1. B is 10 and C is 2. Okay, so we got answers that A is 1, B is 10 and C is 2. So let us find out discriminant delta, that is b square minus 4ac. So this is our first formula to find out discriminant delta. And what are the values of b? That is 10 square minus 4, a is 1 and c is 2. So what is the answer of 10 square? Answer of 10 square, yes Shrutika and Pranjal. 10 square is 100 minus 4 2s are 8. So that will be 92. So here I have got value of delta, that is 92. Now let us find out x by using the formula. Okay. So what is the formula that you remember? X is equals to minus b plus or minus under root delta upon 2a. So this is the formula that we are going to use. So x is equals to minus b. Minus b means minus 10 plus or minus under root. What is delta? Delta is 92 upon 2a is 1. Now 92 comes in table 13. 23. So 23 fours are how much? 23 fours are 92. So minus 10 as it is we will write. So 23 fours are means 4 into 23, that is 92. See, 4 threes are 12, carry 1, 4 twos are 8 plus 1, 92. So 92 factors are 4 into 23 and 2 ones are 2. Now what is the square root of 4? That is 2. So negative 10 plus or minus 2 under root 23 upon 2. Now see here, 10 and 2. 10, 2 5s are 10 and 2 1s are 2. So from first and second term we can take 2 common. So if I will take 2 common, 2 how many are 10? 2 5s are. So negative 5 will come. This 2 has come out. So plus or minus under root 23 and 2. Now this denominator and numerator will be cancelled. And what is my answer? X is equals to negative 5 plus under root 23, or x is equals to negative 5 negative under root 23. So thus we got the answer. Did everybody of you understood, or shall I repeat once? See here, we are comparing this equation with the standard form, ax square plus bx plus c. I got a, b, c. Now we are going to use first formula to find out discriminant delta, and delta is equals to b square minus 4ac. Then we got delta, that is 92. Then we use that formula to find out. Yes, Amrut and Mansi, Geet and Darshan. Then we use this formula, put the value and done simplified. Shall we move forward? Yes, Pranjal. Shall we move forward then? What is your opinion? Is it over? Okay, Devraj. Others also fastly reply. If you have completed, we can move forward. Okay, Shrutika, Tejal and Geet. So I think most of you are giving answer. It's very good sign. And Piyush. So let's move to the next question. So here we are now on the next question. And this question is also asked twice. Once it is asked in November 2020. And second time in July 2023. So 2 times this question has been asked, and here also we have to use formula method. According to me, for 2 marks generally they are asking for factorization, and for 3 marks only they are asking formula method, is my personal observation. So 2 marks formula factorization, 3 marks formula. So which is the quadratic equation? 5m square plus 13m plus 8 is equals to 0. So this is my quadratic equation. This equation we are going to compare it with the standard form. By comparing it with standard form, so what is our standard form? am square plus bm plus c is equals to 0. Be careful whenever you are writing standard form. Don't be hesitated to write variable properly. Whenever it is m, you have to write variable m only. Don't write other variables. Yes, Mansi, Pranjal and Shrutika. A is 5. B is 13. and C is 8. So here I got all three, A, B, C. Now let us use formula of discriminant delta. So what is the formula? Yes, Devraj, you are also correct. And Bhumika, your answer is also correct. Now let us write the formula of discriminant delta. So what is the formula of delta? Delta is equals to b square minus 4ac. Now let us put the value. B square means 13 square minus 4a is 5 and c is 8. So 13 square 169 minus 4 5s are 20 and 28s are 160. So 169 minus 160, that is 9. So what is the answer of delta? Yes, Shrutika, Keith, your answer, and Pranjal, your answer is absolutely correct. So delta is 9. So let us use formula for m, that is minus b plus or minus under root delta upon 2a. So this is the formula which we are going to use and put the value. So minus b means minus 13 plus or minus under root 9 upon 2 into 5. So what is the answer of under root 9? Under root 9 answer is 3. Okay, Geet, Mansi, correct. So minus 13 plus or minus under root 9 answer is 3. 5 2s are 10. So first we will take positive 3 and then we will take negative. So m is equals to negative 13 plus 3 upon 10, or m is equals to negative 13 negative 3 upon 10. Therefore m is equals to negative 13 plus 3. So negative 13 plus 3, it is negative 10 upon 10. So m is equals to negative 1, or m is equals to negative 16 upon 10. So we can divide it, 2 5s are and 2 8s are. So or what is the answer? M is equals to negative 8 upon 5. Thus we got two answers or two roots of given quadratic equation, that is m is equals to negative 1 or m is equals to negative 8 upon 5. Did everybody of you got this answer correctly? This question was asked in November 2020 and July 2023. So let me know your answers, whether you are okay. Devraj and Bhumika, Darshan, Amrut, Geet and Piyush, Shrutika, Bhumika. Okay. So what I feel, we should move to the next question. Okay. So this is the fourth question which is asked in March 2025. So what is the question? Again, this question is based on formula method. Do you understood what is my personal advice to you? For 2 marks, there is factorization. And for 3 marks, which questions are mostly asked? That is formula method. Do you agree with me? Yesterday we saw all questions which were based on factorization, and today most of the questions based on formula method. So here also let us compare this with the standard form by comparing it with standard form. So what is the standard form? Yes, all of you. So what is the standard form? M square plus bm plus c is equals to 0. This is the standard form. This is the quadratic equation. So let us write A, B, C. So what is A? A is 3, B is negative 1 and C is negative 10. So here I got A, B, C. Now again let us find out discriminant delta. Yes, Pranjal, Bhumika, Mansi and Shrutika. Okay. So delta is equals to B square minus 4AC. So let's put value here. B square means negative 1 square minus 4A is 3 and C is negative 10. So minus 1 square is 1 and negative negative positive. 4 3s are 12, 12 10s are 120. So 121. So what is the answer of delta? that is 121. Yes. So let's take now formula. M is equals to minus b plus or minus under root delta upon 2a. Now let's put values. What minus b means minus minus 1 plus or minus 121 upon 2 into 3. So this negative negative, it will be positive, plus or minus 121 is a square of 11. So what will be the square root of 121? That is 11, and 3 twos are 6. First I will be taking positive 11 and then I am going to take negative 11. So m is equals to 1 plus 11 upon 6, or m is equals to 1 minus 11 upon 6. So 1 plus 11, that is 12 upon 6. So m is equals to 2, or m is equals to negative 11 plus 1, that is negative 12 upon 6. Let us divide it by 2. So m is equals to negative 5 upon 3. So everybody got the same answer, or you have any other answers? Please reply fast. 2 and negative 5 upon 3. So again, every time, what is the question? That is based on formula method. So I got answer from Bhumika, Piyush, Mansi, Pranjal, Darshan, Shrutika, Devika, Devraj, okay, and Mansi. I think all most of you have given me answers. Hi, yes, Lakshmi, and I got answer from Lakshmi as well. So let's move to the next question, and this question will be the last question of 3 marks of today's video. Okay, Lakshmi. So see here. What is the question? That solve the following quadratic equation by formula method. See again formula method in March 2025. So solving PYQ gives you an exact idea which question will come in board exam. Do you agree with me? Please reply. Do you agree with me that you understood everything? What is the important questions for board? So again formula method, by comparing it with standard form, so which is the standard form? Yes, Amrut, Bhumika, Shrutika and Mansi. So what is the standard form? That is x square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Okay everyone, now let's compare it. So what is a? A will be 1. So a is 1. B will be negative 2, and what is C? That is negative 3. So once I got A, B, C, now let us find out discriminant delta. So what is the formula for delta? That is B square minus 4AC. So let's put values here. B square means negative 2 bracket square, minus 4A is 1 and C is negative 3. So negative 2 square, it is 4, and negative negative positive 4 3s are 12. So 12 plus 4, it is 16. So what is the answer of delta discriminant? That is 16. Yes, yes, Pranjal, your answer is correct. Yes, Mansi. Now let us use formula to find out the x roots. So that is negative b plus or minus under root delta upon 2a. So this formula, let us put the values. Negative b means negative negative 2 plus or minus under root 16. Delta is under root 16. 2a is 1. So this negative negative, it is positive 2 plus or minus 16 is a square of 4. So 4 will come, square root of 16 and 2. First I will take positive 4 and then I will take negative. So x is equals to 2 plus 4 upon 2, or x is equals to 2 minus 4 upon 2. 2 plus 4 is 6 upon 2, and here it is 2 minus 4, it is negative 2 upon 4. So x is equals to 3, or x is equals to negative 1. And thus I got both the answers, that x is equals to 3 or x is equals to negative 1. Did everybody of you understood today's all 7 sums which I have covered in exactly 30 minutes? So in 30 minutes I have solved 7 sums. So you can understand and even I was explaining you. So this way you have to solve in your board paper. So let's end today's. Yes, it was the last sum. I told you it will be 30 minutes, and exactly 30 minutes we are ending. And tomorrow we will start with the 4 marks PYQ. Till then, have a nice day. Bye everyone. Bye everyone. Bye Bhumika, Lakshmi, Piyush, and Pranjal, Mansi, Geet, Darshan, and Devraj. So bye everyone. Bye. We will meet tomorrow. Till then, have a nice day. Bye bye. Yes, I will be doing Geet.